crispy and delicious.
It's actually really nice to have it, which I expect from the Spanish anyway. Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness, oh my goodness.
So this is churro.
Churros.
Oh my god.
It's made with the pastry, made of flour, hot water and raisin powder. They mix everything together and stay there moving the pastry a lot of time, nearly 1 hour and a half, just early in the morning. And then later they fry this one in very hot oil, olive oil only.
Oh, only olive oil.
Olive oil.
Only good
That's
Spanish
one.
olive oil.
Just in Spain we use it, olive oil. And in Almeria we use only olive oil. This one, extra virgin if you can, but...
And this is a traditional way to eat it with this chocolate? I can't believe it.
I can't believe it.
I think that drinking this much chocolate without you get the day going for sure. Get a big sugar
Yeah.
rush.
You are so active in the morning, no?
Yeah, but I wanted to do it the traditional way. I'll still have coffee afterwards. So we dipped the churro, but do you meant to drink this whole cup as
Yes,
well?
yes, you have to drink
Do
this
you see how
one.
much chocolate's in this
Yes, that is why I asked for this one. Chin chin,
thing?
cheers.
Yeah, well, I think my guides will get this one. It's thick, it's really
It's
rich.
not necessary.
It's
You
very
drink.
rich.
It's not necessary.
I love
You
chocolate, but
drink
in the
it,
morning it's a little
not
bit
so
much.
It's too
good,
much
though.
because later you have more things.
I'm not used to starting my day with chocolate, but that was really yummy.